താങ്ക് യു. തെലുങ്കിലെ ഡയലോഗ് മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ പറയാറുള്ളൂ. എനിക്ക് സ്വന്തമായി ഉണ്ടാക്കി തെലുങ്ക് സംസാരിക്കാൻ അറിയില്ല. ഫസ്റ്റ് മൂവി ദസറയായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ എൻ്റെ വഴി ദേവര റബീബ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ ഫെബ്രുവരി, ലാസ്റ്റ് ഫെബ്രുവരി we started the shooting of Kalyan Comrade. It's now February is ending and now it's 1.5 year. I don't know how this people is going with one movie 1.5 year. I did 15 movies for Indian movies. In Malayalam, like still I thinking that's very less. But in between 1 month they will call for 2 days. So I want to match the continuity look in between from there. And the last, before this last schedule, it was a big gap because one movie I had Tadi, India Tadi, Amanda Padayan. Here I am playing the military character, so that now matched. One schedule we did with Little Tadi. Every time I will tell Tadi illa. അപ്പോൾ അതൊക്കെല്ലാം കൺവിൻസ്ഡായി സാർ ഒരു കാര്യം പോയത്. പക്ഷെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ഗ്യാപ്പ് ഒന്നുമില്ല. അത് തടി കാരണമാണ്. ഞാൻ തമിഴാണോ പറയണത് തെലുങ്കാണോ പറയണേ അറിയില്ല. പക്ഷെ പൊതുവേ ഞാൻ തമിഴിലാണ്. తమిళ తెలుగు
హోల్ కాలేజ్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. కాలేజ్ కి పెద్ద ఏం చేస్తే సో బెటర్
యా మలయాళం తెలుగు
எனக்கு தெரியும் సార్, உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது నేను ఏం చెప్తాను అది. సో బెటర్ యూ ఓన్లీ స్పీక్. నాకు కోణాలు మాత్రమే మలయాళం వచ్చామో ఇక్కడ అనిపిస్తుంది. అక్కడ ఆయనకి రాదు. ప్లీజ్ సార్ గో అహెడ్. సారీ టు ఇంటరప్ట్.
much Telugu movie. First time I have seen my lead actor after the shot. I see got the idea. Shoot കഴിഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം ഒരു ലീഡ് ആക്ടറിനെ കണ്ടത് പുള്ളിനെ ഷോർട്ട് കട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ ഓൾ ഡിസപ്പിയർ. After that I see his and I said and he also said you can tell that my name. You remember that day in Manipal we sit and I came from the pool and we drink and eat and went to the sea and came back and I slept. I don't know. I didn't sleep. I slept. That is my first experience after the shoot. Thank you, Sri Vishnu, Pagitsa, Janakiram. Janakiram ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് മലയ്ക്ക് പോകുന്ന വേഷത്തിൽ വരും അല്ലേ? അപ്പം ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് കുളിച്ചത് കുറച്ച് നോട്ടി വാർത്തകളൊക്കെ പറയുമ്പോൾ പുള്ളി പറഞ്ഞു what was that? You come with him, Shabarimala dress? Shivamala, okay. Some schedule he will come with color dress. Some schedule. Now he's back in color dress. I will continue.